Hey everybody, today it's all about the waistline. Cinch in the waistline. And we're also gonna focus below the belly button, those lower abs. So let's get started. Let's take a deep breath together. Inhale and exhale. Again, bring in the oxygen, equals energy, and let it out. And let's stretch through the waist, get it nice and ready, able to move a little better. That's it. Stretch it out, elongate the spine. Your spine is your lifeline. Keep it healthy, keep it strong. Great, and let's begin. Pull your knees around and sit up nice and tall. Now, slowly just drop your knees to one side and to the other. Really tighten up through the waistline right now. Working those oblique muscles. Target tone, shape them, that's it. So you're nice and in for the tummy. Cinch those abs in, that's it. Now, can you raise your feet up off the floor a little? That's great, give it a try. Now we're really working the sides of the waistline. Great. Now pull it a little more in, like little natural tummy tucks. That's it. It's all about natural. I'm 100% natural. You got it. Okay, really pull it in now, in and side. Now we're gonna hold it to one side. Hold it right here, in and out. That's it, really feel it. Pull in, out. That's great. Target tone, that area. Really shape it. Good, we got two more on this side. Last one. Ooh, I bet you can feel it, I can too. To the other side. Cinch in that waistline. Come on, pull it in. That's great, you got this. Couple more, it's worth it. Lose an inch around the waist. Come on, last one. Okay, and release. And now slowly just reach your butt up and go side to side. Really keep your tummy tight here. Now, can you cross the leg in front and over? That's it. Great. All the way in front. Cross over. Now really get into it. Can you cross a little more? Great. Really feel it. That's it. Twist for the waistline. You got it. Couple more just like that. Pull in those abs. Scoop it in. That's the last one. Great. Okay. Now slowly sit up nice and tall. Place your hands behind your thighs and pull your back strong and straight as if you have a string pulling you up, all the way up, 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 nice and tall. Keep your back straight. And now use your abs and curl, curl, scoop and hollow. That's it. Again, straight backs. That's it. Spine is strong, straight. Lift up as if I have a little bit. I'm pulling you in a high ponytail up, 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 up. And now tuck, scoop and hollow those abs. Make them pull in against the tummy against the spine. And slowly relax. Bring one knee to the chest and switch. That's it. Lift your chest high. We're working below the belly button here. That's it. Great. If you can, keep your chin slightly lifted. That's better. If you have an apple or an orange between your chin and your chest, giving it that much space. Don't slouch forward like this. It's a lift. It's a lift. Okay, now we're gonna work the waistline. Here we go. We're gonna do a twist. Elbow to opposite knee. That's it. Bicycle. Go. Go. Come on. Give it all you've got. 110%. Go. That's it. The back is nice and flat. Your abs are strong. You're using the whole waistline. Two more. Last one. Okay, relax your neck. Beautiful. Now it's time to work below the belly button. Right below. That's working that whole area. All you do is a reverse crunch. You could absolutely place your hands right here and make it easier on yourself. If not, you could place your hands right back here so you use 100% effort below the belly button, your lower abdominals. That's it. Think about it. You never want to swing your legs down like that to arch your back. That's wrong. It's always flat, and all you're doing is lifting up. It's a very slow, very focused motion because you're using the lower tummy, the area we all need to keep our organs in place. That's it. No more slouchy, arched lower backs that hurt the tummy, that pushes it out. We need it flat. That's the idea. We're re-educating the muscles right now to keep them flat and down, just where you need to be. Great, flat belly. Last one, and release. Now, slowly pull your knees towards your chest. Chest comes up off the floor. Hold it up there. That's it. And reach it out. Great. And pull it back in. Good. Now hold it up. Belly button in. Pull your tummy in. Feel it. And out. That's it. One more. Pull in. Pull your belly button in. Flatten that tummy. Come on. Make the belly button go navel to spine. And out. And release. And now slowly relax the neck. And now place your hands right here to relax your back. And now we're doing toe taps. We're now focusing again on the lower tummy. Make sure your back is nice and flat. No air can get through to the lower back. Not even a slip of paper can get through there. Flatten it out. That's it. Toe taps. This is now focusing all the muscles right here below the belly button and around the belly button. No more flab here. We'll get rid of it. Come on. Target tone the muscles. Watch what we eat. Do some walks, so cardio. And then you'll really look great. That's it. 2 more. And you can do my 10-week plan. I put you on a cardio plan, giving you all my fun workouts that really blast fat. Then I also do target toning for abs, arms, every day a different body spot. Okay, we're gonna roll up and come all the way up. Let's do a roll down and all the way back up, all the way up. Great. And now slowly come up on one knee and lift up to the side. Now, elongate the arm, stretch out through the spine. Notice my line with my shoulder, and we're gonna reach up and we're pulling the belly button. We're gonna scoop and hollow in the tummy, reach through and come back up. That's it. Reach through and come back up. Now hold it up there, hold it up there. Beautiful. Can you do a balance, placing one foot in front of the other and balance yourself just like that? Balance, come on. T-stand, work the waistline. Now pull it up, pull it up. It's on the waistline here. Pull it up. That's it. We got 2 more pulls. Last one. Come on, use your abs. Hold it, hold it. Strong bodies, strong minds, because you are worth it. That's it. And come back down. Beautiful. Let's go to the other side. Just reach up first. Make sure you're in good position, good body alignment. Wrists in line with your shoulder, reaching your arms straight up. And now let's do some tummy tucks. Lift up, inhale here. Exhale, pull your abs in, pull it in like a seatbelt, pull it in, and reach it back up. Beautiful. Inhale. And as you exhale, scoop and hollow out the abs, retraining them to go in and reach up. That's it. Now hold it up there. Can you elongate the legs? If you can, do a natural T-stand. Hold it in a T position. Hold it here first. Hold it, hold it. Come on. Lift through the hips. Great. And down and lift. Really feel it. Tighten up through the waistline. That's it. Waistline trimmers, waistline cinchers. Come down and up. Couple more, just like that. Lift higher. Come on, you can do it. Last one. Come all the way up and release. Okay, now to your hands and knees. Make sure on this exercise you keep your abs pulled up and in. Inhale up and exhale out. And come to your hands and knees. What we're doing is lifting one leg out and reaching the opposite arm. Hold it, and now we're doing some crunches. In, pull in, touch, and pull back out. Inhale here. And as you exhale, exhale everything out and tighten your tummy. And inhale. One more on each side. Inhale, exhale, and release. And switch arms. The other arm comes out and straighten your leg. Inhale here and crunch. Exhale, pull. Inhale, out, and exhale, crunch. One more. Inhale, up. Come on, really crunch. Working the entire waistline, the lower tummy, and release. And now take a deep cleansing breath. Inhale and exhale. Let's stretch to the side, working through the waistline. We use those muscles. Yes, we did, the obliques. That's great. And to the other side. Inhale and exhale. And take a nice deep breath together. Bring in the energy. Bring it in. Inhale through the nose and exhale out the mouth. Ah, let it go. One more deep cleansing breath. Inhale up and exhale out. You did it. A great waistline and tummy workout. Congratulations.